What's good, YouTube? It's your boy back in the flesh, and we going to get into this cut. But before, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm dropping videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday right here on my channel, so stay tapped in. And I want to thank you all, each and every one of y'all, because we just hit our milestone of 200,000 subscribers this week. So man, thank you, and we gonna keep it popping. All right, so let's get into this cut. Today's cut's gonna be a low taper to fit his twist. All right, so that's all we're doing. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna comb out the edges of his hairline and the taper area, and then I'm going to grab my Andis Masters and I'm gonna open up the lever all the way and use the blade as a comb, and at the same time trim it and lay it down. All right, so I'm gonna follow that same technique all the way across, removing all the extra hair, laying it down, getting it to where it's controlled, and setting it up for my initial lineup. So you want to make sure to hit it good around the ears, make sure to lay that down. Then we'll hit the back, lay that down. And once we have him trimmed up, hairline laid down, taper area laid down, we're gonna take the enhanced hold spray and hit the hairline area to dry that up and hold the hair in place so we can get into the lineup. So now I'm gonna grab the Andis TL liners and I'm gonna put my initial guideline for the taper. And I'm gonna hit the C cups right off top. All right, I'm gonna start there, hit the C cups. This side of the lineup, and I start from the corners and bring it to the center. Get that right, then hit the other side, same thing, start at the C cup. Hit the sides, bring it to the center. Now I'm gonna create that guideline on the other side. Line them up around the ears and the back. Now you can see how it's much easier to line them up when the hair has been trimmed and laid down with the initial technique that I started with the masters. So once I got them all lined up, we're gonna begin with the taper. So I'm gonna start blending upward, starting with the lever closed. And as the taper rises, I'm gonna slightly adjust the lever to create that blend. Now, you know, his hair around the edges is pretty light, it's not thick. So, you know, just being very light with it because I don't have a lot of hair to work with. So my technique is to, you know, create this light transition blend. It's gonna be light contrast, but we'll have darker contrast around the hairline area once we get up to the hairline area in that bottom part of the C cup. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Blend that taper out again. You know, it's gonna be a light blend. The darkness is going to really begin as we get to the top of the taper around the C cup area and as it goes up into the lineup. Once that's done, we're gonna blend out the back, same technique. I'm gonna get my Andis trimmers, I'm gonna put the initial guideline, then I'm gonna blend that out with the masters. Now he has some light pockets in the back because he had a design back there. So, you know, I'm gonna make sure I blend those pockets out as much as possible. Take the blend up to a point where it allows me to do that. And then, like I said, just follow the same technique, except here I'll put on 2 guards afterwards. The 1/16 and the 1/8. Starting with the lever open, and then as I bring it down to the part I blended with no blade, I start to close the clipper lever halfway and then fully close, and that usually blends it out for me. Now I'm going to enhance it a little bit, so I'm gonna take the Enhanced Pro Barber Kit 2, starting with the hold spray, applying a little hold spray around the hairline area. Then I'm gonna take the hair fibers and the application clear card to apply the fibers. All right, I'm gonna apply a light amount. I'm using dark brown that matches hair color. And then once I'm done with that, I'm gonna follow up with a lineup to make the fibers pop, give it a little cleaner look. I'm also going to use the hair fibers to make the taper pop a little bit. Like I said, during the taper, there was, you know, the hair's pretty light there. It was hard to create contrast, so use a little bit of fibers to create a little more contrast, enhance the look. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, using the clear application card to keep the fibers off his head, off his face, so that there's easy cleanup or little to no cleanup. Following up with the lineup. I'm gonna take the trimmers, remove a little bit of hair frizz around the hairline area that's not twisted up in the dreads to make that look cleaner. And then I'm gonna hit him with the razor real quick. Finish up with a final lineup. And then that's a wrap. We'll let them check it out. Now you can see I did a design in the back. We didn't capture that part, so it's not, the process isn't in the video, but you can see that we did hook him up with that design in the back. But yeah, this video's a wrap, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. Catch me next time. I'm out. YouTube, what's up? Chuka the Barber here. I want to thank all y'all that's been rocking with me since day one. Currently at 197,000 subscribers. Trying to push that thing all the way up to 200. So like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I got videos dropping every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday from now on. So come tap in, rock with me. I'm finna take it to a whole nother level. I'm out.